come race with me. Run, 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 1, 2, 3, through the grass and past the tree. Step by step and hop so high, let's race up to the finish line.
Tortoise smiled and nodded slow.
I will race you, here we go.
Crowd all cheered,
Ready, set, go.
off they went, fast and slow.
Run, 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 1, 2, 3, through the grass and past the tree. Step by step and hop so high, let's race up to the finish line. Hare ran fast and far ahead.
Slow old tortoise, Hare said.
I will rest here by this tree, he will never catch up to me. Hare lay down and closed his eyes, took a nap beneath the skies.
Tortoise walked with steady pace,
Never stopping in the race. Tick-tock went the time away, sun was slowly going gray. Hare woke up, oh what shock, Tortoise near the finish mark.
Hare ran fast with all his might,
But Tortoise was already in sight.
step by step and slow and sure.
Tortoise reached the line for sure. Slow and steady wins the race.
Kind and patient finds their place.
Run, 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 1, 2, 3.